I vibrate light from my soul and create harmony all around me. The energy inside of you is pure and sacred. You emit energy and likewise absorb energy around you. What kind of energy do you wish to radiate and attract? Is there anything or anyone surrounding you that is depleting your own energy? As you start to take notice of the energetic fields, you will naturally navigate towards positive vibrations. Just as energy is emitted and absorbed, it can also be replenished. And Mother Nature supplies us with an abundance of resources to replenish our energy. Light dancer, illumination, the radiant self, shining soul. Each of us is designed to find within us the light we see outside of ourselves. And with our five senses, we cannot see all this. We cannot take it all that is truly within this world, the universe. But through reaching for the light that lies within us all, you have sought to become a more loving person. You have searched for the oneness and lost the sense of division. For moments, there have been pure bliss. And when it has departed, you have been sad, as though you failed. As a human being, you cannot perceive all that is, all the time. But in those moments when the bliss and peace of the truth of our connection, the acceptance of our transitory journey within, and through our bodies, the alignment with values that respect and love the earth, where we find union with others like ourselves, we find ourselves dancing with the light. Life has an ease and a flow to it, and we feel we could reach out a hand and touch the stars. This moment has come to you, even if you have forgotten its power, and it is here to remind you again of the beauty of the heart and soul, of the relationship you have to the infinite, which lies within you and without you. The light dancer tenderly touches what she can see in the hidden spaces of the universe and within her heart. When she comes to you, it is to remind you that you, too, are a light dancer, a being of the infinite universe, and you are as graceful, as aware, and as tender as she is. I am evolving into an enlightened being, dancing with the light that dwells within me. The Mountain Goddess, high vibration, mindfulness, power of the mind. Within you, there are many powers, many senses, all the ways in which your physicality reads the world. But within you, too, are subtle energies, and one of these is the immense power of your mind. The Mountain Goddess calls you to raise your vibration through tending the thoughts within, not to censor or condemn, but to raise yourself up so you can be closer to the heavenly experience that is available to you when you're upon this earth. You can tend the thoughts within you, just as she tends to the mountain, and you can reach divinity through the care you take with the company you keep inside your own mind. Mountains take us higher. We can climb them. We are sustained and protected by them, and they give us the opportunity to look out clearly and gain great perspective and wisdom, because we are no longer amidst the minutiae of everyday life. It is now time for you to take your mind to this place of the mountains. To fly free, give yourself the relief your mind requires in order to be your great ally. Soaring minds are capable of great things. If you ask, this mountain goddess can intercede with great spirit on your behalf and allow you the clarity, the perspective, the soaring freedom, and the powerful healing this mountain offers. Tune into this space. See yourself here, within her tender hands, Let the things of the world, which have their beauty and their holy place, fall away for this moment. Take yourself to this mountain and feel its protection, its stabilizing energy, and the respite from a mind filled with the worry that robs you of your true power. Let her care for you just for a while. And when you return, there will be answers where once there were questions, solutions where once there were problems, and compassion where once there was enmity. A higher perspective brings healing. My mind can become as strong as a mountain. Spending time in nature is the best way to re-energize yourself and purify your thoughts and energy. Go somewhere where you can immerse yourself in nature and stand still. Close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. When you open your eyes, walk towards your first attraction. Allow the energy to pull you near. Look carefully. What do you see? Look at the detail of the gift from Mother Nature. This beauty is pure energy vibration. It is here to cleanse and clear your mind and remind you of how beautiful the world is. Give gratitude for this gift. Now, look at your hands. Can you see the same beauty in them? Keep looking at yourself until you do. Tonight, write down what your home environment is like. Is it full of love? Are you at peace? Are you happy? Identify the areas that you wish to improve on. Write them down. Next, write down the solutions on how you can implement these changes to make your home environment a pleasurable place. What about your work? Is it a pleasurable place to be in? Can you make some improvements to help this? Small crystals or a plant at your desk, or even focus on connecting with coworkers and customers to improve your life experience at work. Lastly, your relationships. Are there any relationships that are draining your energy as opposed to uplifting it? Choose the right relationships that are only complement to your positive, loving energy.